Hi, I'm Ravindra. I'm the co-founder of Amal World. Amal means hope. So our mission is to provide hope for people with disabilities and people with autism, dyslexia, and other learning disorders. So what we have uh, applied now is for smart hygiene for women with autism and with disabilities during COVID times. Okay, we have in India about 3 crore people with dyslexia, autism, and different other disorders, and close to 30 million people with disabilities. Now, what I'm going to discuss is a very sensitive, intimate subject. Uh, just imagine the difficulty of a wheelchair bound lady to have a change of sanitary napkin or administer certain requirements during menstrual cycle. This is actually a very difficult problem to deal with because the ideal way of changing would be in a standing position or in a lying position flat, but sitting in the chair and changing is going to be a very difficult situation, and most of the times it gets into compromise of their dignity, privacy, and stuff like that. I've actually seen this in reality in a very difficult condition, and we all were completely moved to see their plight, and it's really very disturbing to see their pain and what they undergo. So with the help of my team members, Jyoti, who's basically a qualified teacher and counselor for autism, and my partner, Mr. Murthy, who is actually a philanthropist, who is a visionary, and he has done hundreds of charitable projects in the last 2 decades. So we have teamed up and we came up with a solution where sanitary pad can be replaced without a person getting up from the chair. This can be a wheelchair or any sitting arrangement, and this is completely contactless, and the caretaker can snap on, snap off with the person sitting with adaptive clothing and a slight modification in the sitting arrangement. So we have made a MVP, and we tested it on about 25 volunteers, and the results are encouraging. At my background, you can see some of the images of how it would look like, and this is this is going to be a very simple solution, and the relevance is more during COVID because people shouldn't come in contact. We have to maintain social distancing and stuff like that. So this is a complete contactless solution, and this is going to work well. We have done some initial testing and we need to scale it up. So this is our problem and solution for this particular scenario. There's another scenario which starts with early puberty for specifically women with autism. They wouldn't know what it is. They would become violent. Sometimes instances where they have just thrown out their sanitary pad on others, and they have created a lot of issues in the house, and they don't know why is that biological thing happening, and a lot of chaos around that. So we have come up with a AI based internet connected doll, and this doll will be a favorite to that autistic girl, lady, and it will actually undergo the same conditions of puberty, and the doll has to actually administer the sanitary pad, take care of the doll, and the doll beats and cries if there is an issue, and if everything is fine, the doll will appreciate. Excuse me. So that way, we hope that the girl actually learns what it is and how to actually take care. And we also hope that when that condition happens to her, she'll be able to take care of her hygiene. So this is still on a trial, and we have seen some encouraging results, and we really hope to make a big difference, because this is a subject which is very sensitive, as I told before, but it is equally important for people of that segment. And we need help from a lot of partners to accomplish this. And thank you very much. And we hope to see and make an impact in this segment. Thank you.